In a historic achievement for Jamaica, Justice Marva McDonald-Bishop has been appointed to lead an important international tribunal in the United Kingdom. This marks a significant milestone for the country's judiciary. Marlon Samuels tells us more.
Preserving justice.
Justice Marva McDonald-Bishop, President of the Court of Appeal in Jamaica, has been appointed as the President of the Commonwealth Secretariat Arbitral Tribunal. Her appointment is effective August 1, 2025. This is the first time a Jamaican has been appointed to oversee this tribunal, which handles disputes involving Commonwealth organizations and their staff. Her appointment is seen as a recognition of her leadership and expertise within the legal community. The tribunal's work plays a crucial role in resolving international contractual and employment disputes. It's also charged with ensuring fairness and adherence to legal standards. Jamaica's judiciary is reportedly proud of her achievement, which highlights the global recognition of the island's legal talent. For the news on PBCJ, I am Marlon Samuels.